क्या कभी आपने ऑफिस की मीटिंग्स में स्ट्रांगली अपना कोई ओपिनियन रखा है? या फिर आप ये सोचते हैं कि यार क्या कहूँगा, कैसे कहूँगा, इंग्लिश में कैसे अपनी कोई बात रखूँ, और आपने चुप बैठना ही प्रेफर किया हो जस्ट बिकॉज कि भरी सभा में हमारी बेइज्जती ना हो जाए।
या कई बार आपको किसी मेल का रिप्लाई देना होता है तो आप एक छोटा सा रिप्लाई देने के लिए भी घंटों तक सोचते हैं कि मैं क्या रिप्लाई करूं, और बार बार उस मेल को लिखते हैं और बार बार उस मेल को मिटाते हैं। या फिर आप एक छोटा सा रिप्लाई देने के लिए भी किसी AI बेस्ड टूल पर डिपेंडेंट होते हैं। कई बार आपके ऑफिस में आपके बॉस से एक छोटा सा कन्वर्सेशन होता है और उस कन्वर्सेशन के लिए भी आप उसे अवॉइड करते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज कि कहीं वो कन्वर्सेशन इंग्लिश में हुआ तो आप किस तरीके से हैंडल करें। सो यू आर नॉट अलोन। Most professionals struggle with workplace communication, and not because they don't know English, but because they don't know the right way to communicate professionally in English. Hello there, I am Niharika and I am a soft skill trainer. आप देख रहे हैं Words of Wisdom, जहां हम सीखते हैं लाइफ की और कम्युनिकेशन की कुछ important skills. In this video, I will help you to do general communication while you are writing a mail or either when you are talking with your boss. It will make your day-to-day communication very easy, and also by this you can communicate with your manager, with your seniors or with your boss very effectively and very respectfully. So let's practice the sentences on email, meetings, talking to your boss or manager. Please find the attached file for your reference. Noted, I will go through it. Let's schedule a meeting for tomorrow. Sure. What time works best? Can you please send me the details? Yes, I will mail them shortly. I will get back to you by end of the day. Great, looking forward to it. Kindly share your availability. I am free after 3 p.m. Can we push the meeting to 4 p.m.? Yes, that's work. Sorry for the delay in response. No problem. Thanks for replying. I hope this email finds you well. Thank you, I am doing well. Please let me know if you have any questions. I will reach out if I need anything. This meeting is to discuss the next step. Got it, I am prepared. Let's keep this email short and clear. Noted, I will revise it. I will loop in the concerned person. Thank you for the update. Can you please resend the file? Sure, sending it now. Thanks for bringing this to my attention. Always happy to help. Let's keep this meeting brief. Agreed. Please review and share your feedback. I will do it by today. Please mark your attendance. Done. Shall we begin the presentation? Yes, let's start. Please avoid background noise. Noted, I will mute myself. You are on mute. Oh, thanks for telling. Can you repeat that please? Sure, here it is again. The meeting link is not working. Let me resend it. Please keep your points short. Okay, I will be quick. I will need approval before sending. Please send it for review. I will connect with you post meeting. Sure, waiting for your call. Thanks for your time and valuable input. It was a pleasure. I will keep you posted with any updates. Thank you, I appreciate it. We need to close this task on priority. Got it, I will handle it right away. Please CC me in all further communications. Sure, noted. I am stuck with another task right now. No worries, update me when you are free. We'll need some clarification on this. Sure, happy to explain. Sorry, I was disconnected due to network issues. No problem, we'll catch you up. Let's take a short 5 minutes break. Sounds good. Good morning, ma'am. Do you have a moment? Yes, please, come in. I wanted to update you on the project status. Go ahead. Can we schedule a quick meeting? Sure. What time works for you? I am facing a challenge with this task. Let's discuss how to resolve it. I have completed the task you are assigned. Well done. Could you please review this document? Sure, I will check it shortly. I would like your feedback on my recent work. I will share my thoughts by evening. May I take a short leave next week? Please send me an email with the dates. I would like to discuss my performance. Absolutely, let's talk tomorrow. Thank you for your support. You are welcome, keep it up. Can I suggest something for this process? Of course, I am open to the ideas. The deadline seems very tight. Let's see how we can manage. I am interested in taking on more responsibilities. That's good to hear. I have sent the weekly report. Got it, thanks. The team needs more clarity on the project. I will arrange a briefing. I will keep you updated regularly. That's great. Shall I proceed with the next step? Yes, go ahead. Can I request some resources for this? Let me check what's available. His task may need an extension. Okay, let's discuss it. I have informed the team as instructed. Well done. Can we revisit the strategy for this project? Yes, let's review it next week. I appreciate your guidance. Always here to support. I am working on improving the quality. Good initiative. Should I prioritize this task over the others? Yes, this is more urgent. I would like to talk about my growth in the company. Let's plan a review session. I am happy with the current responsibilities. That's great. Keep up the good work. I am struggling with time management. Let's plan together. Can you help me prioritize my task? Sure, let's review our list. I am working to improve my communication. That's a valuable skill. I would like to attend a training session. I will see what's available. Thanks for considering my suggestion. Your input is always valued. Should I wait for your confirmation? Yes, I will confirm by end of the day. Can we move the deadline forward? Let me assess the impact. I have noted all the action points. Good. Keep tracking them. Please let me know if I missed anything. I will review and inform. Can I take 5 minutes of your time? Sure, go ahead. Do you need anything else from me? Not right now. Thanks. I am learning a lot under your mentorship. I am glad to hear that. Looking forward to our next meeting. Same here. I have sent the mail you asked for. Yes, I have just sent it. Please check your inbox. Please check your inbox. Sure, I will check it right away. I have attached the file for your reference. Thanks, I will review it. Let me know if you received the document. Yes, I received it. Thank you. I will reply to that email shortly. Okay, I will wait for your response. Could you send me the updated version? Sure, I will send it in 5 minutes. I am drafting the response now. Great, please take your time. Let's schedule a meeting to discuss further. Yes, how about tomorrow at 11 am? Can we reschedule today's meeting? Sure. What time works for you? Please share the agenda in advance. I will send it by this afternoon. We'll need to circulate the minutes of the evening. I will prepare and share them by end of the day. Thank you for the quick response. You are welcome. I am still waiting for your reply. Sorry for the delay. I will respond shortly. Let's connect over a video call. Sure, I will send the link. Can we have a quick sync up today? Yes. How about 4 p.m.? I have shared the calendar invite. Got it. I have accepted the invite. Please confirm your availability. I am available after lunch. Is everyone available at 3 pm? Yes, 3 pm works for me. Let's stick to the meeting agenda. Sure, let's not go off topic. Please keep the email thread going. Noted, I will reply on the same thread. The email wasn't delivered. Can you resend it? Oh, I will send it again right away. I will summarize the discussion in an email. That would be helpful. Thanks. Please mute yourself if you are not speaking. Sure, muting now. Let's wrap the meeting in 30 minutes. Agreed. Let's keep it short. We need more clarity on the email instructions. I will explain it in the next mail. I am following up on my previous email. Thanks for the reminder. I will reply soon. Please mark me in CC. Sure, I will add you. Let's connect with the client for clarity. Good idea. I will arrange it. Thank you for a productive meeting. It was a team effort. Let's send out an official email with the final discussion. I will draft it and share for review. So now you have learned approx 100 workplace conversation sentences to make your conversation great at workplace. Remember one thing, good communication isn't about using big words. It is all about how clear you are, how confident you are, and how respectful you are. Whether you are a student or stepping into a corporate world, or if you are a working professional, this video helps you to improve your communication skills. So start practicing these sentences at your workplace, and believe me, the more you apply, you will be perfect. If this video helps you, so share it with someone who needs that. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more useful videos. आप मुझे कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं कि वर्क प्लेस का ऐसा कौन सा कन्वर्सेशन है जहाँ पर आपको काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्टी होती है। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ और यूज़फुल इन्फॉर्मेशन के साथ। टिल द टाइम, कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग एंड कीप कम्युनिकेटिंग विथ कॉन्फिडेंस।